Hello everyone, welcome to yet another episode of Mind Map. Today's topic of discussion is National Commission for Scheduled Caste. First, we will discuss what is the National Commission for Scheduled Caste. Then we will explore the composition of the commission. Next, we will discuss the functions of the commission. We will then move on to examine the powers vested in the National Commission for Scheduled Caste. Following that, we will delve into the significant issues that the Commission deals with. In the Way Forward section, we will discuss the future prospects and strategies for the Commission. To conclude, we will challenge your understanding with a practice question. So let's get started. NCSC is a constitutional body under Article 338 of the Indian Constitution. It functions under the jurisdiction of Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment. It was established with a view to provide safeguards against the exploitation of scheduled caste. It aims to promote and protect their social, educational, economic and cultural interest. Special provisions were made in the Constitution. Now let us discuss its composition. The National Commission for Scheduled Caste consists of a chairperson, a vice chairperson, and 3 other members. They are appointed by the President by warrant under his hand and seal. Their conditions of service and tenure of office are also determined by the President. Chairman has the status of a cabinet minister and the vice chairman has the rank of a minister of state. Now let us have a look into its functions. Monitoring and investigating all issues concerning the safeguards provided for the SCs under the Constitution. Inquiring into complaints relating to the deprivation of the rights and safeguards of the SCs. Taking part in and advising the central or state governments with respect to the planning of socio-economic development of the SCs, regular reporting to the President of the country on the implementation of these safeguards, recommending steps to be taken to further the socio-economic development and other welfare activities of the SCs, any other function with respect to the welfare, protection, development and advancement of the SC community. The Commission is also required to discharge similar functions with regard to the Anglo-Indian community as it does with respect to the SCs. Till 2018, the Commission was also required to discharge similar functions with regard to the other backward classes. It was relieved from this responsibility by the 102nd Amendment Act of 2018. Now let us discuss the powers of the Commission. The Commission is vested with the power to regulate its own procedure. For investigation and inquiry, the Commission is vested with powers of a civil court having authority to summoning and requiring the attendance of any person from any part of India and examining him on oath, requiring the discovery and production of any document, receiving evidence on affidavits, re-questioning any public record from any court or office, issuing summons for the examination of witnesses and documents, and any other matter as determined by the President. Now let us discuss some of its issues. First, non-binding recommendations. Even though the Commission has extensive powers of investigation and inquiry in this area and can fix responsibility and recommend action, its recommendations are not binding. Second, litigation. In the matter of criminal investigation that would require it to follow prevailing rules and procedures pertaining to evidence and prosecution. This retards the effectiveness of the Commission by rendering it vulnerable to litigation in the form of appeals to higher judicial bodies, and thereby nullifying its operational effectiveness. Third, delays. There are delays in conducting the inquiry and in delivering judgments. Moreover, there is a perception that the Commission tends to confirm the government's position on most cases. Fourth, irregularity. The Commission is supposed to prepare an annual report for presentation to Parliament. Reports are often tabled 2 or more years after they have been submitted to the President. Even when reports are tabled in Parliament, they are frequently not discussed. Let us now discuss way forward. NCSC's recommendation should be binding. The strength of the staff of the Commission must be increased to tackle the workload. Commission should be given additional powers in the matter of criminal investigation. An amendment is required either in Article 338 itself or in the rules by which the President may fix a period for the discussion of the report in Parliament. The Commission can create a platform for structured engagement with civil society groups working in Dalit issues. Now it's time for the practice questions. For prelims, consider the following statements. National Commission for Scheduled Caste is a statutory body. National Commission for Scheduled Tribes is a constitutional body. Which of the statements is or are correct? 1 only, 2 only, both 1 and 2, or neither 1 nor 2. For mains, whether National Commission for Scheduled Caste can enforce the implementation of constitutional reservation for the scheduled caste in the religious minority institutions. Examine. That's all for today's episode. Thank you for watching. Have a great day ahead.